I'm Birdman.
And I'm Allie.
And this is Mountain Talk, and hopefully last time with me. So Adria hopefully will be back here next week, and we'll hopefully be opening up. We still haven't word yet, so we're kind of fingers crossed on that. But there are at least some things you can do around your house this week because...
There is trash pickup. Ours is on Wednesday next week where they're doing the bulk pickup.
And this is in Sholo. So
yeah,
it's the first week of May. And basically it comes on the day of your trash pickup, either a day or before or after. You know, I'm literally confused about that all the time.
Well, and that's a partnership between the city and the waste company that does that. Which
Waste
is
management does that. They do they're going to have the drop off at the place
too.
for the
Okay.
screens. And then actually the city itself does pick up bulk stuff. Now, you cannot put like construction, like you can't be working on your house and have all the construction supplies and throw that out there. And there are certain items, and you can check on the website. It gives a detail as to what can be picked up and what cannot be picked up.
Yeah, no, I'm excited. We've been working really hard on our house. We did the lawn the other day. So that was nice.
Yep.
And I'm sure a lot of people during the week and on the weekends are able to get their house kind of prepared. I think that this year we'll kind of be done with all of our spring cleaning, and we'll be able to, once we open, get out there and go. Yeah.
So remember that you want to get outside, you want to get some fresh air, that kind of stuff. Make sure you're social distancing. A lot of the parks are still closed. We'll give updates if any of them open for kids' playgrounds and stuff like that. And hopefully they'll have some guidelines as to what we should be following, because it's hard to follow rules when you don't know what they are.
Just be personally responsible, and care about your neighbor.
And stay tuned here on Birdman.media. It's either Birdman.media or go to the Facebook page. It's probably the easiest way to communicate. We'll be giving the updates as to what's going on, what's opening up, and what we can expect moving forward.
Awesome.
Cool. Other than that, everybody, just keep your spirits high, be happy, wave to your neighbors, and we'll have fun. I'm Birdman.
And I'm Allie.
We'll see you next week.